Accepting a merge request in GitLab involves reviewing and integrating changes from one branch into another. Here's a step-by-step guide. Navigate to merge requests. Log into GitLab and go to your project. Click on merge requests from the left sidebar to see a list of open merge requests. Review the merge request. Select the merge request you want to accept. You will be directed to the merge request page. Review the description, changes, and comments. Check the diff step to see the changes introduced by the merge request. Verify that all automated checks have passed. Look at the Pipelines tab or the status badges in the merge request. Add comments. If needed, leave comments or request further changes from the author before proceeding. Accept the merge request. Click the merge button if you're ready to integrate the changes. If there are conflicts, resolve them before merging. GitLab will show options to handle conflicts if they arise. Confirm the merge. You may be prompted to confirm the merge. Review the final details and click Confirm Merge to finalize. Close the merge request. After merging, the merge request will be automatically closed. You can review merge changes in the project's repository.